I'm gonna do, I'm not gonna trim a whole bunch off because I'm gonna do roast first. Actually, this one I'll cut into like steaks and roasts and stuff, and then the next one I'll get ready for jerky. Off, and then we're going to have a cap that we're going to take off here. There's the membrane. The meat always tells us where it wants to be cut. Leave that to the side for now. And we always want to cut against the grain when it comes to steaks. So you can see the grains are going this way. So I'm going to cut this way. So I'll start with some steaks here. These ones you usually want to do a little thinner, they are tougher. You can do a thick steak out of there. Like nice thin steaks. Tiny little thin steaks. Good for pan frying. We're making Philly cheese out of. We got thin ones. And we got roasts. We're going to trim this up and then we're going to cut it in small pieces and run it through the tenderizer. I don't know if you, can you pause and then edit all that or?
Yeah.
Like this. I'll just leave them right here for now. That's going to be cube steaks, but I'll trim up that other piece first. So now we're going to trim this up. People call this is like your flap meat.
With a P, like flap?
Flap, yep. So you could use this for things that you use a flank steak for. It's kind of like a flank steak. So you could do your stir fry out of it. You can do your fajita meat out of it. Or you can do stew meat. I like to do with this. Make some stew meat. Got some stew meat. And this has a whole bunch of kind of stuff going on in it.
Yeah.
There's nothing you can really do with it besides ground round. So that's your trim for ground round. Like that. Let's go do the cube steaks. Go by the tender riser. Ready?
Yeah. So watching some Let's Do This videos.
Thin cut steak, your regular cut steak, your thick cut, cube steak, stew meat. You got your fajita meat, and your top round roast.